Ah, football. Gotta love it. Where else can grown people stand or sit outside next to the old barbecue here, cooking up some meat? Loving life. Alright, so up first here we have new Lion Kugel's shandies. 3 new ones. Not just one, but 3. We have the very first pumpkin shandy, a legit pumpkin shandy. Very tasty, lightweight, easy drinking. Then below that we have the old fashioned, which is based off the old fashioned cocktail. You're gonna taste a little bit of wood and a little bit of oak, I should specify, and a little bit of cherry at the back end right before she runs down your hatch. Next there we have their new winter seasonal, which will come out after the fall here, a cranberry ginger. Really, really tasty with a splash of Jameson in there. Just to let you know. Up top there, an oldie but a goodie, but a great marinator. The Schlen Curler Mausen, my bacon beer, it's delicious. Last but not least, on the fast side there, we have the Spartan Oktoberfest. Big boy Oktoberfest. Spartan does it well every year. And last but not least, all these prizes here, you guys can enter to win. All proceeds are going to the Jimmy Fund. And it's, yeah, enter to win. Come on down, check her out.